Hello, everyone, and I welcome you back to this lecture. Before we move on to the details and specification of brick, let me quickly go through these three very basic concepts. So, number one, what is a brick? So, brick is nothing but a basic unit of construction. So, anything that you are using to construct a wall. By anything I mean any kind of module. It can be a brick, it can be a stone, or it can be any other module, any other block. So that module is basically called basic unit of construction. Okay. So now next next keyword is masonry. Now what is masonry? Masonry is basically building a wall or any other structure with the basic unit of construction. So, for example, if you look at a wall, if it is made up of stone, it would be called stone masonry. If it is made up of wall, then it would be called brick masonry. So, masonry is, you can say, is nothing but uh, brickwork. Brick masonry is brickwork. So if you look at a wall which is made up of, let's say, concrete blocks, so this is, you can say that this is concrete block masonry. Okay. All these concepts will be more clear once we dig deep into the main building construction fundamentals. Everything will keep on becoming a little bit more clear. But these are few keywords I think which I wanted to introduce before we move on with more complicated concepts. Okay, another important keyword is bonding. You will generally come across people saying, okay, I'm using this brick bond, I'm using that brick bond. So before moving on to the types of brick bond, I thought it would be easier if we understand what bonding in itself is actually. So bonding is nothing but the fashion in which the bricks are being overlaid on top of each other while constructing a wall. So you can see that in this image that there are there's something called stretcher bond, header bond, English bond, Flemish bond, red thread bonds. We'll cover all these bonds in detail. But if I say bonding, it means that uh, all the in whichsoever manner the bricks are being laid, so that style or that fashion can be said bonding. And there are many ways in which you can lay bricks, lay different courses of bricks, which we will cover in detail in our future videos. So before moving on, these three things I wanted to clear, you know. So let's go to the next video where we will talk about brick in detail.